Looking at the retracement, I don't think if I make the right decision, this will go like uh, that will be a 2-to-1 ratio trade. I reckon that will be like somewhere there for exit.
Order pending.
Max 50 points. Finally, the price moved a little bit, what you can do if you are chicken out, you can always set your stop back to that level. Then you are not making a loss at all. It might come back down actually. You're looking at the whip there. Possible in a slow market, it might sort of like drop in the afternoon, drop to the lowest point, making a sharp pivot, and then climb back up to this level, the green lines. This is a normal pattern, but it's just a matter of you got to know the exact time that it is happening. See that it's sort of like moving down. So what you can do, don't trust it, might as well close it down. I'm going to close it, then at least I make a few points. 10 points might be. Don't trust the whip. Have a look at, it's hard to say, look at the MACD there. Have a look at a faster chart and see what's the score. Yeah, here you go. Still got some downward momentum there. If you look at a 12, this is a 12. If you look at a 6, this is an 18. Let's look at a 6. 6 is more flexible.
Order fill.
Okay, it's bust my order. So it's keep going down. Look for a better sort of like a position to enter, to entry, or for the entry. If you look at the way the price move at 3 or might be at 4, it might come down to this level before it rebounds for a sideways move, which is about 600 level, about there, 20600, somewhere there. I've got a feeling. The price is sort of moving a lot faster now compared to just now. See the whip might sort of lead it to another 30 points drop. Let me, because this is not my account, so might as well I check up on my setup because I had an order at 60 something at 206.65. Might as well stop. Can possibly do a short at this moment. You can do it at this level if you want to. Let's do it.
Order filled.
With a 20-point stop at the top.
Order pending.
Got in alright, seems to work, it does actually move down because of the width there, I'm going to leave this stop closer now, somewhere there. Perhaps I'm going to move it further down, as usual. Let's set the stop further down, at least make a few points. Set a stop just before the supporting line there. Got a feeling that could go about 3. Based on this move, can go down to 20606 and then jump back up. Sit tight and wait for the chance. I sort of cover the loss which I made just now. I'm going to move it down a little bit, you know, the stop loss, just to make sure I gain some profit. I'll move it at the yesterday peak. I reckon that will be a good 30 point because I just compare the index between the HSI underlining and futures. So it's 30 points below the futures was index. It's coming up to 3 o'clock. It's going to got 2 minutes there. So the price might bounce a few times before it start to go down. So we've got to be extremely careful now. Got a feeling it's got another 20 points to target. 20 to 30 points to target on this one. So we'll see. So let's get at 3 o'clock. It does bounce up a little bit, you know. Will it go up there? That's the questions. It does move out a little bit, but not a lot though. We'll have a look, you know. Will it get to stop? So on the safe side, better sort of move it down a little bit because it might sort of jump up any time because it's really hard to say. Because at 3 o'clock, you know, leave it a bit more room, it's safer. The euro market is down, so same as the Dow Jones future, but it's so difficult to tell at 3 o'clock. I got a feeling, you know, max will go down to about 35 because by the time we get to 35, then HSI underlining will be reaching 20600 and it might rebound at the level. Hasn't get to the day low yet. Is it the day low? Let me check. This is 12 range bar chart. Today day low it's 20632. If it went past the day low, then I would reckon then it will get to about like no more than 20618, I reckon, today. Then it will sort of slowly climb back up. If you look at the MACD, it's slowly climbing up, and let's look at the 18 range bar. The RSI seems to go up again, so might be is actually get to the end of the downtrend. It might sort of slowly climb up all the way to, like, as I predicted, to 20740. There you go. I'm gonna change my stop. I'm gonna move it down, as I do not think that it's gonna fluctuate that much now. Move back to 20669. Move up a little bit, you know, just in case actually bust my stop. It's hard to say, so it's got to wait for the next retracement again. This is a 3 range bar chart. See, am I heading back up again? This depends on what a price action are like. It might sort of, like, you know, shoot up again. As I'm saying, it might go the other way around. See that? It's actually moving up So I reckon it might go all the way to that point before it will come back down again. See, it's going reverse already. See that? It's quite a difficult market, as you can see. Sort of made order there, and I expect it might go up a little bit. It doesn't seem to go up, and just sort of like it retraces a little bit, to that level, and then it sort of finish here. 4 o'clock, it's sort of like somewhere there. It doesn't move a lot at all. Difficult. I left the contract open. We'll see what's happened tomorrow morning.